Hello, my name is Robert Keller. I am the owner of the company which finishes and renovates buildings. I know that professional construction work requires both the right working technique and best products. Watch our short video that will help you to work fast and efficiently. The installation guide that we are now going to show you applies to large format tiles. By the large format, I mean any slab with dimensions 60 by 60 centimeters or anything bigger than that. More details you will find in the movie. Now it's time to work. Preparation. When laying large format tiles, it is especially important to make sure that the substrate is completely level and can carry the weight of the tiles. To strengthen the surface and reduce the absorbency, prime it with a deeply penetrating primer. This primer should be applied and spread with a paintbrush or a roller, avoiding the formation of puddles. Tiling. For fixing large tiles, we recommend to use CM17 Super Flexible. Apply mortar with a suitable trowel. Note that the larger the tile, the larger the trowel with bigger teeth should be chosen. With large tiles, a medium bed mortar method is recommended. It assures full mortar coverage under the tile and reduces the possibility of cracking. Now, place the tiles by pressing them into the mortar. As the tiles are wide and heavy, you need 2 people to handle this task. Continue the process, making sure to keep equal distances between tiles and checking their evenness. Remember that large tiles require longer curing time. The mortar simply cannot harden quickly under such a big surface. Grouting. When the tile adhesive is sufficiently set and the joints have been cleared of any remaining bits of mortar, you may start grouting. The flexible grout Ceresit CE40 Aquastatic is recommended especially for porcelain tiles. When preparing the grout, remember to use the correct mixing ratio with water. Also, make sure to observe a 3-minute maturing time during mixing. Completely fill the joints. After the grout has started to set, which can be tested with a finger, clean the area by wiping it in circular movements with a wet sponge and little water. The second cleaning is best done with diagonal movements and clean water. Enjoy the finished floor. Thanks to Ceresit products, your large tiles are perfectly fixed. It is worth doing the job as if I was doing it for myself. Prime the surface. Fix the tiles. Grout the joints.